Let me show you my challenge. Look at this metal here. Look at that channel there. Look at here. Now, a lot of this, all of this can be fabricated, but a lot of this can be purchased and then fabricated in, which from a budgetary perspective, that's always easier on the client. But just look at that challenge there that we have to deal with there on this. But it doesn't stop there. It continues down here to this quarter panel. Look at that. Now, it's all on the bottom side. And we say it's only here. It could be here. Once I go down to the middle, I'll find out what I'm going with. But we're more than likely, you're talking about a quarter panel there. So then we'll come up on the front side. Look at this. So there's a lot of people say they can do this at home. They can do it themselves, and you know, why does it cost so much? Why is it so involved? Do you see what we have to fix? You see what we have to repair? All right, then someone says, why not just get a different car? Why not get a car that does not have as many challenges, does not have as many inherent problems and concerns? Because if this is your car, if this is your deal, if this is the one that you have storylines with, the one that has a personal connection with you, you want this car. You don't just want any wife, you want your wife. You don't want any husband, you want your husband. You don't want any horse, you want your horse. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come by your house, I'm gonna pick up your dog, I'm gonna give you one look just like it. What difference does it make? It's still gonna be a dog. No, but it won't be your dog. That's what restoration is about. Restoration, you get to keep your dog, man. Hey, y'all stay safe out there. Give me a call, 832-717-0774. Don't destroy them, restore them.